stop worrying about the color cast using this color balance or white balancing AI option from Aftershoot. After you have culled your image, you can open the folder in which you have culled your image. If you don't know how to cull your image, we have made a video. You can watch that. After you do that, click on the option edit, and inside edit, from here choose AI profiles. The only AI profile I have is this because I don't have the paid version of Aftershoot. But if you have the paid version of Aftershoot, you can like get multiple AIs from the marketplace. After you choose the AI, just click on customize profile. Or if you don't want to customize profile, you don't have to. This is basically like if you don't want the AI to do the white balance thing, you can just click on customize profile and play around with the settings that is available over here to change it according to your option. But I like the one which already is here. After you do that, just click on edit 8 photos and it should do all the white balance and everything for you. Right now this image over here, all the image is perfect. So even if I click on this, it's not going to do anything. It's going to show me error because it's already balanced. So there's nothing for it to balance. So it's going to show me an error. But if there was like a white balance issue image, it's going to fix it. So yeah, and remember, if this AI doesn't work, as I said, go to marketplace and buy whichever AI you want from here. You can try it for free or you can buy the version as well. Depends on it. So yeah, that's how we guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like